How old are you?
I'm 4. I'm 4.
Where are you from?
I'm happy.
I'm from Vietnam.
I'm from Vietnam.
What animal do you like? I
I like pink.
like. You like pig? Oink oink. And what color do you like? I like white. You like what color?
I'm happy.
I like white.
White.
What color is this?
Bubble.
Very good. It's purple. What color is this?
Brown.
It's brown. What color is this?
Pink.
It's pink. Very good.
White.
It's white. Good job. What is it?
Dog.
Door. How many doors are there?
5 dogs.
There are 5 doors. What is it?
Chair.
Chair. It's a chair. How many chairs are there?
2 chairs.
There are 2 chairs. Great. What is it?
Table.
Table. How many tables are there?
3 tables.
There are 3 tables. What is it?
A window.
Window. Good job. How many windows are there?
1 window.
There are
4.
4. Good. Who is this?
Dad.
This is my granddad. Who's this?
Granny.
Granny. Very good. Who is this?
Dog.
Daughter. And who's this?
Cousin.
Cousin. Who is this?
Aunt.
This is Amanda. Who's this? Al.
Abby.
Who is this?
You.
George. Very good. What are they?
I.
They are eyes. They are my eyes.
Head.
Hands. Good job. What are they?
Ear.
They are my ears. And what's this? Head.
Head. Arm.
Arms. They are my arms. What shape is it?
Square.
Square. Very good.
Circle.